Alright guys, so this video I'm going to show you how to change card on Doordash, guys. Actually really easy and simple. So if you want to update your credit card information anytime on Doordash, and if you want to, replace an existing card, what you need to do first, guys, is actually add a new card before you remove the existing card. In the last credit card used will remain the default credit card when placing your order. So let's say you want to do it. There's different ways you can do it on the mobile apps, on the iOS or Android, pretty much the same method, and it is also the desktop use. For the desktop users, it is also very similar. So I'm going to show you how to do this. For iOS and Android, what you want to do is open up your DoorDash app first, open that up, and then you want to actually tap on account icon at the top. Okay, at the top left corner, usually you'll see the account icon, and then you want to select the option which is payment under account settings, okay, for iOS. And for Android, you just want to select payment methods, and then you want to come to add a payment method, okay, next to the credit or debit card icon. Just click on add a payment method, and then they're going to prompt you to enter the details. What you need to enter, guys, is the credit card number, the CVC code. You want to enter that, and guys, the expiration date and the billing zip code. These are four important things you need to enter, and make sure they are correct. Otherwise, you're going to get an error showing that it is unable to verify your identity or payment method. Okay, that is what's going to happen. So make sure everything is correct. Otherwise, you're going to make a payment error message, which we have shown in another video. Then just tap save, guys. And basically, guys, if there is more than one card on the account, you just want to click on the card you would like to set as a default one. A check mark will appear next to the card that is set as default. That will the one which will be used for payment. And if you want to remove it, just click on the trash icon next to it. And if you're on desktop, guys, you just log into your account on their DoorDash website. Just click on account at the bottom left corner right here. Click on payment, and under the add a new payment method, just click on the arrow next to credit or debit card. And for example, here as well, guys, you just want to enter the credit card number, CVC code, expiration date, and the billing zip code. These four information must be correct, and then just click add a card to save the information, guys. And as always, guys, that is it. And I hope these tips help you to update your credit card in DoorDash. And if this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe for more quick solutions. Drop a comment if you have any other questions or tips to share with the others. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck setting up your payment method with DoorDash. Guys, make sure you subscribe. Come on.